What's up, gentlemen? I'm going pond fishing today with Codester, and I can't wait. I think I'll probably catch about 8 fish. That's what I'm guessing today. I'll probably have an hour-ish to do the fishing, and I'm going to set up a crappie rig, and I'm going to set up a bass rig. Well, really just a rooster tail, so that'll catch just about anything. See how it goes. But I think it'll be great. Great. No. Just got a bite though. Rooster tail, a really bright one.
Don't have a lot of casting area around here with all that brush.
Is that a fish?
Yeah. Missed it. That's a good size one.
God damn it. Lost one. Get one? Same. Boss. Hey, mine's about the same size. Here we go. Damn. Bass just came up into the shallows and started thrashing. There we go. He's alright. Half pounder, maybe. Do you think that like sunfish are the chickens of the pond? I think so.
No. Some person will probably the pigeon.
The pigeon of the pond? You're probably right.
The crappie, I'm probably saying chicken.
Crappie is the chicken. What's the turkey?
That'd probably be better.
No, it's got to be like between like black crappie and white crappie chickens and turkeys, and then like
Red fish.
I think that bass would definitely be the raccoons of the pond.
Oh shit, probably. They are aggressive as fuck.
Aggressive, and there's a lot of them. Predators, but kinda not really.
Overhyped predators.
I don't know what the skunk would be.
Catfish.
Well, maybe channel. Blue cats are the possums. And gars would definitely be the bears of the pond. Bro, I ain't getting shit over here. Trip was not as successful as it should have been. Last time I went, I caught 10. But, you know, 3 is better than nothing. 3, I think I caught 3. 2 bass and a crappie. Pretty good for me, since I normally get skunked. So, I'm satisfied. I had a few boss moments in there, like catching a crappie, chicken of the pond. So, I'm satisfied.